What is OCD? Okay, I have been asked that question 10 gazillion times in the last 30 years. Here's what it is. OCD, obsessions, compulsions, and of course the disorder. According to the DSM-5, that's the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual that the American Psychiatric Association put out. But here's what I know about OCD. You've got obsessions. Those are intrusive thoughts, horrific images, feelings, fears, basically anything that you don't like that pops into your mind that scares you, that makes you feel uncomfortable. Those are obsessions. Now, the compulsions. Compulsions can be mental or they can be behavioral. The mental part is anything you do in your head to get rid of that image, that thought, or that feeling. That's the mental portion, mental ritual of OCD. And then we've got the behavioral. And I think most of you are familiar with the behavioral stuff. That's the part that's had the most publicity over the last 30 years. You need to wash your hands over and over again because you're afraid of germs, or you need to clean over and over again, or you need to count over and over again, or you need to check over and over again. Something that you do over and over again to get rid of the fear, the anxiety, that icky feeling. That's what a behavioral compulsion is. And here's the key. You do it more than 15 minutes a day, and it interferes in the quality of your life. If you are miserable, if you are mildly perturbed, if you just would like to get rid of this thing because it's causing havoc in your life, or even if it's just bothering you a little bit and you'd like to gain some more control. That's what OCD is all about. There are a lot of subtypes of OCD, and I'm going to be sharing the Yale-Brown Obsessive Compulsive Scale that was created between Yale University and Brown University way back in 1996. So you will have a PDF of that to look at with all the subtypes. And I may touch on things like, well, I've already created courses on trichotillomania and dermatillomania, so you all have that in my courses if you want to go and search Udemy for that. I might touch on hoarding a little bit, which is even a subtype of OCD and has a separate listing. But regardless, this is what OCD is. Unwanted thoughts or feelings that lead to mental or behavioral compulsions that cause you to distress in the quality of your life. And this is what we're going to work on in this course.